Hi everyone, welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to use a very simple method to find total in Excel. In this given workbook, we want to calculate the total mark for all these students. Total means paper 1 mark plus paper 2 and paper 3 marks. So to calculate the total mark for the first student, I click inside F2. Reason is I need the total in F2 cell. After clicking in F2, we keep an equal sign. Equals, take the mouse and you click in the first mark, that is 45. 45 plus 47 plus 48. So you can see in the formula bar C2 plus D2 plus E2. Then I press the enter key. So I got the total as 140. Now to copy the formula from one cell to the remaining cells, I click inside the 140, that is in F2. Keep the mouse pointer in the right bottom corner. Then I click and drag up to F13. So the total is calculated automatically for all the rows. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe our channel for more notification.